Okay, very important information on this reinstallation process. Like we was discussing, it goes back, not just plug and play. It's a procedure to it going back. So one thing you want to pay attention to, okay, after you take your bolts loose, you want to pay attention to this area here on there. Okay. Before you take that off, you want to make sure, look at the position of that. That small groove is at the top, larger groove at the bottom. All four corners. Let's see, focus back there. Larger groove at the bottom, smaller groove up top. So basically, I want to go back just like this, like it is on there. That lets me know that it's turned around in the right position. Applied with everything else. That's a key factor too in this whole scenario. So I thought I'd put that in there. Didn't feel right leaving that out. All right.